Reclining Big Toe Pose or Supta Padangusthasana. Supta Padangusthasana is a Sanskrit name for this pose. Supta means reclining, Pada refers to foot, Agushtha means big toe, Asana is pose. Supta Padangusthasana is a supine variation of Padangusthasana. It opens legs and pelvic muscles that give perfection in the forward bend poses. Besides, lying flat on the floor supports the back while stretching the hamstrings and calves. It relieves the lower back pain. This pose is simply performed by lifting one leg off the floor, with its big toe held by the corresponding hand. The raised leg is close towards the torso, so as to bring the forehead towards the shin. The movement is further expanded by swinging the leg to the side, grasping the toe intact. Begin in supine position. Inhale, raise the right leg up and catching by the thigh. Maintain at this level with the knees straight upon feeling a deep stretch on the hamstrings. Next level, slide the hands towards the calves while keeping the knees straight. Maintain at this level once feel a deep stretch on the hamstrings. While you can still keep the left leg grounded, so slide the hands towards the right heel while keeping the knees straight. In this position, the shoulders may be lifted. Retract the shoulders to ground it. This will help to stabilize the upper body. When the right thigh touches the abdominal, the right hip is in full flexion. Catch a big toe with the right hand in yogi toe lock. The left hand presses the left hip into the ground to stabilize the hips. In all the stages, the left leg press firmly into the mat, with the ankle in dorsiflexion and the heel reaching out. And the right knee is straight, with the ankle in dorsiflexion and the toes pointing towards the direction of the head. If there is a neck issue, keep the upper body and head on the mat. Otherwise, inhale, right shoulder in and rotate. Exhale, slowly lift the upper body and the head off the ground, with the forehead touching towards the right shin. While keeping the right leg engaged, the right hand gently pull the right leg close towards the body to keep the thigh close towards the abdominal and chest. In this position, the shoulders are slightly lifted, but keep the neck long. Stay in this final position for 5 breaths. Inhale, release the upper body and head down to the floor. Exhale, then open your right leg out, bringing it towards the floor on your right side. Keep the left hip grounded. In this position, keep the ankles in dorsiflexion, knees are straight, hips are even, spine straight, and the shoulder blades are grounded. The right hip is rotated and flexed, the left hip is in neutral. Once stable, lift the head up and turn the head towards the left side. Stay in this position for as long as you feel comfortable and breathe slowly. To release from the posture, reverse the order of movement.